Today, we're going to unbox and take a closer look at the Redmi Note 15, the Redmi Note 15 Pro, and the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. I'll be walking you through a detailed comparison of all three models and highlighting the key differences that set them apart. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. First, let's begin with the unboxing of the Redmi Note 15. Inside the box, you'll find a gray silicone protective cover included with the standard version. The SIM ejector tool is the same old small round pin style. And here's the phone itself, showing off its brand new gray and white color scheme. Right away, it feels lightweight and slim, pretty easy to hold in one hand. The texture is decent but not particularly premium, fairly average overall. Booting up the device, we also see that the standard Note 15 ships with a 45-watt charging brick and a Type-A to Type-C data cable. Now let's move over to the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Here, inside the box, you get a purple night black protective case. The SIM ejector tool is slightly different. This time it's a square pin design instead of round. The Pro also includes the same 45-watt charging adapter and a Type-A to Type-C cable. The color variant we have here is midnight black, and compared to the regular version, the Pro feels more refined. The texture and finish are noticeably better. Now for the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. This unit comes in a cedar white finish. The box contents are the same as the Pro. You get the square SIM ejector pin and a protective case. And just a quick note, I've already uploaded a detailed hands-on review of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus in cedar white. If you haven't checked that out, the link is in the description. The cedar white finish looks stunning. The texture has a fine, frosted, matte feel, which makes it resistant to fingerprints, and the large camera module on the back definitely stands out. All right, let's briefly compare the three side by side. The Note 15 regular is clearly the lightest of the bunch. It uses a hyperbolic curved design. The Note 15 Pro Plus is the only one that supports 90-watt fast charging. Both the regular and Pro stick to 45-watt charging. All three include Type-A to Type-C cables inside the box. Now, let's get into the system and appearance differences. Starting with the regular Note 15, Star Radiance White. The frame has a shiny middle border, though it's clearly plastic. The back has a matte touch, but it's not glass, so it doesn't feel as premium compared to the Pro Plus. As for the cameras, you only get a single main shooter plus an auxiliary sensor. Cover up the main camera and the secondary doesn't show anything. You also get an LED flash and an infrared sensor. In terms of photography, it's fairly limited, but in video you can record up to 4K at 30 fps. The phone also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, which is nice at this price, though the vibration motor feels very basic. Now on to the Note 15 Pro. The back has a darker finish with a glossy shine, giving it a more polished look. The design follows Xiaomi's recent trend with a flat frame body, and there's a subtle transition for comfort. The front uses a flat display, and overall the phone feels quite light in the hand. While the texture isn't on the same level as Xiaomi's flagship K70 series, it's still pretty good for the price. One noticeable upgrade here, the Pro allows you to customize the refresh rate, something the regular Note 15 doesn't support. The Pro also includes dynamic UI effects, which are missing in the standard model. On the camera side, the Pro offers a main lens, an ultra-wide lens, and a 2x lossless zoom option. For video, again, you get 4K 30 fps, and in professional mode, you can switch between ultra-wide, 2x zoom, and the main sensor. The Pro feels more complete and versatile. Now let's check out the Note 15 Pro Plus. At first glance, it looks very similar to the Pro, but the edge transitions are smoother, giving it a more premium finish. The camera module includes 3 lenses, and the infrared sensor is neatly integrated. Here's where it really stands out. The Pro Plus includes a 2.5x telephoto lens for lossless zoom alongside the ultra-wide and main sensors. In Pro mode, you can freely switch between 0.6x, 1x, and 2.5x. For video, it's still 4K 30 fps just like the other two, but the camera versatility is a major step up. So to summarize their build and design differences, the regular Note 15 is light, thin, and simple, but less premium in hand. The Note 15 Pro adds more control, a wider camera setup, and dynamic UI features. The Note 15 Pro Plus refines it further with a telephoto lens, better finish, and smoother handling. Now let's talk about photo quality differences. The regular Note 15 struggles with highlight suppression and detail. The texture and finish of photos clearly don't match the other two. The Note 15 Pro improves on this, but its Dimensity 7400 Ultra chip doesn't process images as well as the Snapdragon variant, so its tuning feels weaker. The Pro Plus, powered by Snapdragon, really shines with HDR performance, better dynamic range, and more natural color tuning. In fact, its photos come very close to Xiaomi's flagship Mi 15 in look and feel. When it comes to telephoto shots, the differences are obvious. The Pro Plus's 2.5x zoom is solid, but Xiaomi's Mi 15 flagship still delivers far superior detail, saturation, and contrast. Compared to the Pro, though, the Pro Plus easily takes the win thanks to its dedicated telephoto lens. For video performance, all three cap out at 4K 30 FPS on the main camera. The results are fairly close, with color differences being the most noticeable. Snapdragon versus Dimensity processing shows here. Stabilization is weakest on the regular Note 15, while the Pro and Pro Plus handle it better. On the ultra-wide cameras, both the Pro and Pro Plus drop video recording to 1080p at 30 FPS, which is slightly disappointing. Note 15 Pro Plus is the most premium, offering 3 cameras, a telephoto lens, Snapdragon performance, and stronger HDR and photo results. At the end of the day, the choice depends on what you prioritize: lightweight affordability, balanced features, or premium camera performance. That's the full in-depth look at the Redmi Note 15 series, the regular, Pro, and Pro Plus. Which one do you think is the best value? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews. See you in the next video.